Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I wanted the introduction for my new car to be a little different. I was gonna make a cinematic video about it and stuff, but things happen. I've had this car for maybe a week and something broke already. So this is my 2015 BMW M3. It's in mineral gray color, and so I've had it since the weekend. I drove it back actually from Virginia. And yesterday I started having some oil warnings for minimum oil level, and obviously if you guys see my channel before, I had the 335i before, so I know how the BMW dipstick, the electronic dipstick, works. So it told me to add a quart. I added a quart. I kept on driving, remeasured it. It still said add a quart. So I added another quart of oil, and it still said to add another quart. And at that point I knew something was wrong. There was no way I was going to add 3 quarts. So today I called around all the BMW dealerships around where I live, and I wound up getting the electronic oil level sensor. So yeah, I picked it up. The car is due for an oil change anyways, so we'll jack it up. I'll drain all the oil. We'll remove the oil sensor, and after we fill it up with oil and stuff, I hope I don't get the oil light no more. So yeah, let's jack it up. So I usually use these ramps. Sorry, my garage is a mess. I was doing a door, but I usually use these ramps, but this car is too low for those ramps. So I'll jack up the middle, put some wheel chucks in the back so it doesn't roll back. But yeah, I'll put that in the middle, and then I'll slide these under the wheels when I have it jacked up enough. So yeah, let's get it started. Let's hope this fits under. And I don't think it's gonna fit. Let's see. So what I'm gonna do is just jack it up on the sides and then put it up on some wood, and then I'll jack it up from the middle. So let's get it done. We got it up in the air. If you guys see the middle jack points right there, you can jack up from there. So now we got to take this plate off, and we'll swap out the sensor and drain the oil. There's a little information about the sensor that I'm going to be replacing. On FCP Euro and ECS tuning, they're around 200 bucks. And I wound up paying $330 at BMW dealership, and I called another BMW dealership, but they weren't able to get it today, and they quoted me $270, so they're not cheap. But yeah, let's get this plate removed from the bottom. So all these small bolts over here are all 8mm, so we're gonna remove all those around first. This looks like the big one is a 16 millimeter. Now let's get the oil sensor out of the oil pan. Yep, there are tons. Let's make sure not to drop them inside the oil pan. There's one. Two. Let's do the third one. And three. And we didn't drop any. Let's try to get this sensor out. Oh, it actually comes out real easy. Awesome. I heard disconnecting it is actually the hard part, so let's see. I think you press 2 tabs on both sides and pull it up. It's probably gonna be really hard.